Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 22nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Litecoin today and see if the whales are continually dumping this cryptocurrency. You guys can see overall, let's zoom on the chart, that the market got snagged up in Litecoin right there around $64. So that is the point that the whales were selling their positions out of Litecoin and taking the money and going somewhere else. So I wanted to see if that's going to continually negatively impact the price in Litecoin so we can be prepared for the price move. Whether it's going to go down, whether it's going to go up, we could care less because we want to win in the market. That's our ultimate goal. That's the whole purpose of us joining in the cryptocurrency space. So if you guys want to join me as we continue to move throughout this cryptocurrency space, I want you all to do just that. And you do that by hitting the like button, and also subscribing here to the channel, and also tap that bell notification as well. If you guys want to stay in tune with what I'm seeing in terms of where prices are going to go for a plethora of cryptocurrencies. You guys can see right here, right now, that I did a price prediction in Litecoin right here on July the 21st, right? And I was looking for the price to go down, and let me zoom on the chart. You all can see that the market in Litecoin did in fact go down right here, and it found the buyers right there around $52 on July the 26th, 2021. So hopefully you all was able to nibble off of that particular bounce into the market in Litecoin on that day, because if so, that's 7%. And you guys can see once again the price in Litecoin is coming in around $52. This is where the buyers are at. So we have another opportunity to come in and grab that 7% out the space in Litecoin, and maybe quite possibly the buyers are willing to continue to buy Litecoin at that level so prices won't fall any further below $52. Let's go ahead and cut this out and let's see what we got on the chart, because one of the biggest things I wanted to show you on today's video is the fact that yes, price in Litecoin has decided to trade outside and below our ascending line. So let me extend this out a little bit further just to give you a better depiction of that occurring into the market in Litecoin. You guys can see right here, a couple of days ago, August the 19th is when the price in Litecoin decided to fall below our trend. So now we understand how the market is really trading. The market is overall weak as of this particular moment. So we should not be bullish into the market in Litecoin until we see price break back up above this ascending line, okay? This is how we need to be thinking. So outside of price going up, the next thing that we need to be expecting is at least the market continuing to trade sideways, right? So the first top area of this sideways trading we have already determined is right around here. Okay, so this is the top portion. $64 is where the market in Litecoin is finding its issues. That is the top portion of our trading channel. Seeing that we are no longer trending higher in price in Litecoin, we're going to take this ascending line and utilize it as a point that we can try to figure out where the buyers will show up. Okay, and I'm going to bring it down here. This is the first area that I'm going to look for the buyers in Litecoin to come in and open up their wallets and continue to buy this cryptocurrency. So we got a ways to go. Okay, we're trading at $55. And around $48 is where the bottom portion area support is. Like I've already told you, we have already seen buyers come into the market right now. Okay, so let me show you all the weekly chart in Litecoin real quick and show you all that on all of these weekly price bars, this is where we can understand that the market buyers could not successfully trade price above 64. That's one reason why we are going to continue to maintain weakness. Now, the market is not extremely weak. I'll give the market credit. It is not extremely weak, but we're not strong neither, which is why I created this trading channel. The market just anticipated to continue to trade range bound. Okay, look at this on the 5-day chart. The 3-day chart. You guys can see on this last completed 3-day price bar that the market in Litecoin, yeah, it's weak. And even though we're currently seeing strength into the market in Litecoin here, I really won't anticipate price to go up until I see this market break 60 to the upside. Okay, we got to see the market in Litecoin break 60 to the upside before we get back to the buying side, before we begin to say, yeah, the market here in Litecoin is beginning to get a little bit more bullish. Okay, so looking at Litecoin on the 2-day chart, like I said, I don't see a lot. I don't think that the whales selling their position in Litecoin around $64 is really impacting the price that bad. We're definitely seeing on an hourly perspective that buyers are coming into the market in Litecoin. You guys can see that this is precisely where the buyers are coming in. Okay, you guys can see it here, and then you guys see it again now. This is why the market currently is seeing a monumental movement higher on this current 1 hour price bar. So yeah, if you're trying to play this particular market in Litecoin now, this is reflecting on an hourly point that the market in Litecoin is definitely trying to go up. Okay, now from this particular sense, the market is not really hitting volatility, right? The market is just bouncing in between these two lines here in Litecoin. So if you're not necessarily a scalper, if you're not necessarily looking at this market on an hourly perspective, I'm not looking for too much to occur out this coin. Not right now. I don't see a lot going on. And usually if I don't see anything playing out in the market, I don't participate. I go somewhere else and find out where the market is moving, where the opportunity for us to get in on volatility and actually ride the price higher and or lower. And I really don't see that currently into the market in Litecoin. Now, yes, the price is weak. Yes, we are seeing the price in a downturn, but we are currently seeing the buyers now. Okay, so right now I don't see too much. Not in a Litecoin, even though, like I said, the whales came in and dumped. It did affect the price negatively for a short time, but the buyers came right back in and supported price at 52. Okay, so I'm not looking for too much in Litecoin right now. I'm just going to continue to look for this market to continue to bounce and trade sideways into our two lines until we see the market actually come through and break out. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to put on a price prediction in Litecoin, and we're just going to simply sit the sideline. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Do you think the market in Litecoin is going to continue to move higher? Do you think it's going to continue to move lower? What is your expectations? Because I don't really see too much here. So I'm going to find an opportunity somewhere else. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.